Welcome. If you've been using Instagram on your PC and don't want to miss when someone starts an Add Yours prompt, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier to manage these notifications directly from the web version, and I'll walk you through exactly how to turn them on. First, open Instagram in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home feed, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. Click on those to open the main menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can control different preferences. Now, inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This is where all your alert options are organized. Next, look for Push Notifications and click on it. This section lets you decide which activities you want to be notified about in real time. Scroll through the list until you find the Add Yours option. Under Add Yours, simply choose On. This ensures that whenever someone starts an Add Yours prompt, you'll receive a notification right away. It's especially useful if you like engaging with trends or want to stay active with your audience. Once you've turned it on, your changes are saved automatically.